As I walk into Gangluff soon for the very first time, I realize my GPA and mental state are gone. It's 4 months of studying and chemming, and all I can think of is ions and solutions. But that ain't the only part of chemistry. There is pivnerd and electron orbitals. Pivnerd is to determine an unknown gas variable, or maybe use the combined gas law. I really hate thermo, but I gotta learn, as all of chemistry has to do with heat change. Cool. Gangluff the kind of G that give a week for a webassign, but in the end gives a few days extension. Been spending most this year living in the Gangluff laboratory. Been spending most this year living in the Gangluff laboratory. Keep spending most this year living in the Gangluff laboratory. Keep spending most this year living in the Gangluff laboratory. Look at the chemicals, they got me stirring. I can't wear normal clothes, I must wear a lab coat. So I gotta keep my chill with the lab team. Too much tension rising, got me breaking tools. I'm an H atom with fluorine on my mind. Got my one electron and an ionic bond in sight. I'm an FeQ03 molecule, and my homie's gonna decompose me. Failing ain't nothing but a chem grade away. I'm making life in chem. What can I say? I'm passing now, but will I get a 5 score? The way I am working, I think so. Tell me, why are we in chemistry that the ones it hurts are GPA and sleep? Been spending most this year living in the Gangluff laboratory. Been spending most this year living in the Gangluff laboratory. Keep spending most this year living in the Gangluff laboratory. Keep spending most this year living in the Gangluff laboratory. Webassigns and tests and webassigns, minute after minute, hour after hour. Everybody's working, and all of them ain't listening to what Gangluff's singing, but I doubt I'm passing. She says I gotta pass, and he is here to teach me. If Greg can't understand it, how can G teach me? I guess I'll learn, I guess I'll pass, I will succeed. That's why I know my fool be real, fool. Been spending most this year living in the Gangluff laboratory. Been spending most this year living in the Gangluff laboratory. Keep spending most this year living in the Gangluff laboratory. Keep spending most this year living in the Gangluff laboratory. Tell me, why are we in chemistry that the ones it hurts are GPA and sleep? Tell me, why are we in chemistry that the ones it hurts are GPA and sleep? Shout out to all my fans. Peace.